Good morning and welcome to Smart Dating Videos. I am dating coach Dr. Uttam Dave and I welcome you to this video. Our topic of today is, are you ready to date? Well, you must be thinking, what is so special or what is the requirement of dating? There should be no requirement for dating. I like a person of the opposite sex and I begin dating. That's it. Well, my friends, let me tell you something very clearly. You can begin dating at any age you want, right from teenagers onwards. But there are certain criteria which you need to fulfill if you want to be successful at dating. So, for example, if you want to vote, you have to be above 18. If you want to drive, you have to be above 18, and things like that. If you go to a bar, you have to be about 21. So, there are certain restrictions, and only then, when you fulfill those restrictions, then you can be successful at that particular activity. So even when you are dating or about to date, you need to understand certain things or certain factors which are very, very important before you date. So let us see what are the five different factors that are very, very important before you date. The first factor is that you need to have a safe and secure place. Now, what is the need of having a safe and secure place? Let's assume that you've begun dating a person of the opposite sex, and I'm going to talk from the point of view of a man here. Of course, these things also hold good if a woman is trying to date a man. You've begun dating, and that casual dating has gone to serious dating, and dating has given birth to a long term relationship or likely to be. So, what do you do? If you do not have a safe and secure place to stay, you cannot get married to her. If you get married to her, where are you going to keep her? So, it's very important that you need to have a safe and secure place before you think of dating. The second criteria which you need to keep in mind is, are you working and do you have a job, or are you into business? It's very important that when you think of dating, you need to have a strong financial capacity to bear your own expenses, that of your date, and in future, if you get married, then also her expenses if she's not working. So that is very, very important before you think of dating. The third factor, which again is very, very important, is how is your relationship with your parents. If your relationship with your parents is loving and caring, you are likely to have a good relationship with your dating partner. But if there is a lot of tension and stress between you and your parents, your relationship with your dating partner is also likely to be like that. Because most of the things which we learn from our parents, we tend to kind of, carry it over to our relationship. So it's very important that you have a good relationship with your parents. Some people, they date with the intention that just because they do not have a good relationship with their parents, um, a date will be a kind of substitute for that, but it doesn't work that way. The fourth thing or the fourth factor which is very, very important when you date is that you need to have at least two or three friends who are very close to you. Now, what is the need of close friends? When you have close friends, you prove to yourself and also to the world that you're capable of sharing, you're capable of caring, you're capable of intimacy. And these are some of the things you normally require when you are in a long term relationship with somebody of the opposite sex. So it's very important that when you have friends, people get a message that um, he or she is loving and reliable and caring and intimate. And so they can rest assured that they would also get these kind of emotions from you. And finally, the very, very important factor which you need to consider before dating someone is you need to be happy with your own life. If you are under the assumption that someone is going to come into your life and make you happy, then you are in for a big shock, because even the person whom you are dating may have their own unfulfilled agendas. Even they may be looking out for somebody to make their lives happy. Now, there is only one person who can make your life happy, and that is you, right? So make sure that you are happy enough to even think of dating. So I think if you take care of all these five factors, which is a secured place, which is a secure job, loving parents with a lot of love and respect, then having good friends, and finally being happy with yourself. If you fulfill all these criteria, then you are ready to date. So I wish, whether you are a man or a woman, I wish you good luck for dating. And also, I would like to add is that ages 18 plus is generally a good age to begin dating. Ideally, even 21 would be better, because that is the time when you kind of finish your graduation or basic course of studies, and you're also likely to have taken up a job. Fine. So that would be an added advantage when you begin dating. So thank you so much for watching this smart dating video, and I will come up with another video soon. Thank you very much for watching. And if you think this video is useful, do share it with your friends who might need such a dating tip. Thank you very much.